So here's a little snow in the LA distance. How about that? Look at those mountains. And can you believe it? One of my granddaughter today said in the schoolyard she had snow. It was actually snowing. She couldn't believe it. How exciting is that? LA snow. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm welcoming you today to another Friday with Friends. I hope you enjoyed all those ladies before me, and I will leave all their links in my description below. And thank you, Betty, Oak by Bettina, for replacing Janet this week. I really appreciate it. Janet, I do hope you're feeling better real soon.
Here we go.
Show you what's going on and let you know what I'm doing here.
Canvas.
So we have an 11 by 14 gallery wrap canvas, and I'm going to be doing drip painting. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. And I'm using my ready mix paints because I am on a mission to use these paints up one way or another. So I have my artist Loft paints, and I am listing everything here for you. You can look above and you can look down below. And I'm going to play some music and let you enjoy this. Let you enjoy this relaxing Friday evening if that's when you're with us. Or just sit back and relax any time of the day. As you can see here, I mixed the Artist Loft with the Pebeo gel texture in sand, and that was in black because I wanted some extra texture on this painting. I just didn't want it to be something flat. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to speed this up a bit, and I'm going to give you a little bonus feature on the side and give you a different view. Louise, if you're listening to this, no, I am not speeding it up 30 times today. Not today, anyway.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
As I'm editing this video, I looked and I said I should have probably stopped about 30 seconds ago because I really like the way it looked just like that. But this is art and this is life. So I continued on. I did need to add that gold in. It's not a painting unless there's 24 karat gold plus in here. So here we go.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to
masking tape all around, but I like to live on the edge. What can I say?
Today, well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day
to live. So here I decide to turn it over and drip the paint from the other side. Maybe not the best idea, but we tried something different. And then I tried adding some golden high flow paints, and they were way too watery for this technique. So back to my regular ready mix paints here. In retrospect on this painting, I probably should not have sprayed it with water. On the previous pour that I did with this on the test painting, I sprayed it with water and it worked well. But on this painting, I probably should not have sprayed so much water on it. But that's how we learned, so we lived and learned with this one, and I really did like the outcome in the end. But let's continue on. I know I'm still trying those high flow paints in between because I really did want them to work, but they were just way too watery. So if you haven't had your dose of Girl Scout cookies yet, I'm going to give you a chance. If you look in my description below, you can email me at ItsArtByDonnaM at gmail.com, and I will personally send you a link from one of my granddaughters who is a Girl Scout and who is selling cookies. And she would love to sell a few boxes to you. This is online buying, and it is within the United States. And here is where I have a little fun, and I take my catalyst wedge. So I apologize for being out of frame here, but I'm basically cleaning up my sides. Not cleaning them up, I'm fixing them up, and I'm trying to put some of that little extra paint that I have there around the sides to make it look a little drippy. Although I may just paint it all black around the edges. I haven't decided yet. I just love the way this came out, and here are the wet results. And look at that shimmer and shine, and look at that texture. That gel texture from Pebeo is absolutely amazing. Look at that. It's the sand. It's that black sand, and that is really beautiful. And look at that catalyst wedge. It looks like claw marks to me. I just love the way it came out. I love the way it brought up that black from the underneath. Just stunning. The colors came beautiful. I really love it. And I hope you do too. Now this is the wet results, and please wait for the dry results. You're gonna love that too. And check that out dried. Look at that sand, look at that texture, and look what that catalyst wedge did. I love it. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I didn't put any varnish on this yet because I'm not sure if I want to. I like the texture the way it is. I love the shimmer and shine just the way it is here. I want to thank you all for coming again this week. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And if you didn't see any of the other ladies in our Friday with Friends, please check my description for the links. And here is the test piece that I did before I did the larger piece, just to see how this would work out. Again, this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and laughter. Have a great week, everyone. Please be safe out there. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit notify all. And this way you'll get a notification each time I put a video out. I would love for you to follow me on my art journey. It's been a pleasure today. Have a great evening and have a great week, everyone. Till next time.